Good evening, colleagues. Once again, I have also come with another Android application. This time around, it is called Automated Lesson Plan. This particular lesson plan is very important because it will help physics teachers to create lesson plans with these. As we already know, creation of lesson plan is not an easy job. It's a difficult one. So let me show you how this application works. This is the application. So it has already been installed here in my phone. So you have just to click on that one. And the moment when you click, you'll be welcomed by this landing page. Welcome to an automated lesson plan maker. So yeah, it has got the following features. There is somewhere where you choose the the core elements. And then when you choose a particular core element, let's say for example mechanics, you are supposed to click OK button. And then once you do that, the success criteria under mechanics will actually appear. And where will you actually see them? You have also to go here down where they're saying select the success criteria. So the success criteria for mechanics, that's Form 3 and Form 4, will actually appear here. So let's say for example, today you like to actually teach a lesson, or you like to have a lesson on scalar and vector quantities, just an example. So it means you have just to click that one, and then after that you also click OK, and then you'll be redirected to this particular page. If you want to add another one, then you go back, and then you also still add another one, represent vectors, and then you also click OK, something like that. And then when you are done selecting all the success criteria that you like to use that particular lesson, then you have now to type the name of your school. Okay, Thomas Demonstration Secondary School. And then form, which form are you teaching? Let's say Form 3A, or just Form 3. Then what's the core element? It's mechanics. All right. Lesson topic, scalars and vectors. All right. And then scalars and vectors. All right. What's the date? Today is 25. So that's April 2023. What time am I having this particular lesson? Well, let's say for example I'm having it at 8:30, whether PM or AM, anyway. Then when you are done here, something like this, then you're supposed to click this button which says create a lesson plan. If maybe the interests that you have entered are not okay for you, you like to start all over, then you can now click where they're saying create data. That's the data that is going to be created on this particular data you have entered on Domas demo up to the time there. And then if you click this button which says create a lesson plan, then something will pop up which says lesson plans automatically created. So we have created lesson plans here. All right. So you can either click exit if you are done, so you can exit, or you can actually browse a file. Now the question is, which file are we talking about? we are actually talking about the file in which our lesson plans have been created. It's not only one. We might see maybe 1, 2, 3, and then we choose the appropriate one, the one that is suitable for us, the one that has been generated rather. So you can click on the browse button, and then of course you search where your actually file is. If it is not available here, or maybe you are not sure where your file is actually situated, because these phones are different. The phones are different from one person to the other. You can simply go to the file, go to the files of your phone. That's a file, an application for files of your phone. Like in this case, I have two here, file manager, and then files. So simply go to, let's say, files. All right, and then you should do browse through your phone, and you go to internal storage, not SD but the internal storage one. Then you go there. While you are here in your in internal storage here, you have to look where there is something like Android. All right, so somewhere here where a folder is written Android, so you have to go there, and then you click on that one. Okay, and then you see that we have also other folders inside that, and one of the folders is data. So you go there and you click on data. Yes, and now once you click that, you find that there are various folders again for different applications. So you go and you look for com.lessonplan. And then automated lesson plan, something like that. So you go for that. There is a folder there. Okay, so the one which is on top here. So you actually click on that one, and then you also be redirected here to another file, and then you also click that one, and then finally you'll be able to get your lesson plans. There is a folder written lesson plans, and this is where you now get your lesson plans. So once you click there, you find that depending on the two success criteria that we entered, we have so far generated 3 lesson plans. So we have option 1. All right, normally in option 1, it's where we are now using a lesson plan with the basically with the 1 success criteria. And then we have also option 2 and option 3. And one of these options, option 2 or option 3, containing all the 2 success criteria that we wanted to use. So let's go to option 2 and check if at all this is a lesson plan that we are looking for with the 2 success criteria that we actually entered earlier on. All right, so this is a Word document. One other thing that you should note is that once you create the lesson plan using the button that we have seen before or earlier on, your lesson plans will be created in a Word document format like the one you see here. Yes, finally, we have this one. Yes, this is what we'll be looking for. School, we have Thomas Demo, Form 3A, subject physics, core element mechanics, lesson topics, scalars and vectors. We have the day 25 there, time 8:30. And now the following have been generated. Rationale has been actually generated. Success criteria are now here. Students must be able to. These are the success criteria that we wanted. And then in the prerequisite knowledge, teaching, learning, and assessment resources. Yeah, the development part of it, where we have teachers' activities, students' activities, learning points. Yeah, so basically we have the at least a basic lesson plan that we have created by using these two success criteria. You may modify it or edit it here and there to suit what you want to achieve by the end of that particular lesson. But otherwise, this lesson plan on its own, it's okay. Maybe only the part of the learning points, because they are not specific. There are no specific learning points that have been written here on this column. But all in all, if you like to use this, you can even use it, and then that's it. If you want to create another one, then you can also do the same, and you go to the other success criteria, and then you do the same. The process is also the same. You can even print out this one, and then you keep it in your file, stuff like that. So making life simple, stuff like that. So this is really an automated lesson plan that I wanted to show you. Right, you can actually get this automated lesson plan on Google Play or on Play Store. I have just recently uploaded it. What you can do in order to upload it is actually you go to your Play Store, because mine here it's a Play Store, and then you search for it, and you can simply type let's search for it. You type automated lesson plan in here, right? So once you type that one there, then it will definitely appear somewhere there. Automated lesson plan, somewhere there to appear. So once it appears like that, then you can click on that one and then you install it. Simple as that. Yeah, so give a comment on that one, rate it, give me a feedback on that, so that I can even improve where necessary. Thank you very much for actually listening.